Hey my friends, it's Alicia Stringer here, always empowering success dreams. Okay, so we got free traffic today, and free traffic is right here because we're on Periscope and it's free traffic. So thanks guys for joining. Right? On Twitter, whenever you post on Twitter, it's free traffic. Whenever you just do a tweet, right? Whenever you post on Facebook, on your fan page, it's free traffic. Whatever you get organically that you didn't have to pay for a service is free traffic, right? So when you're posting out there on your social media sites and you've got your little cool little headline and your link and you want people to go to your link and you're trying to get some free traffic, right? What are some of those two things that you want to make sure that you remember, that you will know that you will stand out and be more powerful, more of a reason to engage with people and get people to click on that link or do what you say or make that connection and get to that next thing, right? So the number one thing, are you ready? There's two of them. Any guesses? Does anybody have any guess? Make sure, I want to see some comments in there if there's anybody on Periscope. What you think you need to make sure you have on free traffic. What are the two things that you think you need to have when you're posting out there on free traffic on your social media, on your websites? Any ideas? Any ideas? Oh my goodness, y'all are killing me. Landing pages. Oh, come on. When you're posting on Facebook, you're going to have a link to your website. But how do you get your people to your landing page? How do you get people to that link to your website? What are you going to say? Are you just going to post your landing page out there? Is that going to get people to engage and say, oh, that's a cool link? Maybe it's a Google link or a shortener or something or a Bitly. They don't even know what it is. And you didn't post anything for people to get on there. Oh, funny cat pictures. I love. Those are the two things that people are attracted to. Funny cat pictures and babies. Babies are probably more attractable than funny cats. But you're right. So if you know that just those are naturally, people are gravitated to those fun little attraction things. But no, these are more things that people will, if you remember this formula, more people will be able to engage and show that you're really authentic and want to engage with you and connect with you more. There's an ad, hide, replace baby pictures with cat pictures. That's totally true. Free stuff to entice clicks. Yes, we need to do some free stuff. So tons of ideas. Thanks for those comments, guys. All right, so the number one thing is if you want to put in your perspective that it's not about you, that you're not taking an ego trip, I guess I would want to say. You're trying to be more of the attraction marketing aspect, and you're using that like 80-20 rule when you're posting out there on social media. So you're always wanting to make sure you're knowing your prospects. What are their problems? And maybe you're sharing what your problems are, and you're not talking about you, but you're talking about your problem. It's not about yourself. You're always making sure that you're attracting the right type of person. So if you're attracting like the negative profile, you're going to attract negative type people. If you're sharing something positive, you're obviously going to be sharing some positive people that are out there. So always keep that in focus of, it's not about you with the free traffic. It's about, how you want people to engage. It's what you want people to, what kind of reaction do you want people to have when you're posting out there? And number two, are you ready? Don't be, or spammed or sold to. People don't want just your link out there. They want to know, why are you posting your link out there? The value is that solving problems. So one, attraction marketing, two, solving problems. I think they kind of go hand in hand because when you have those two aspects in perspective, then you're always thinking about other people. You're always making sure that you're putting things out there in the right perspective for people to get to to engage and connect. And always think when you're posting on social media, how do you want to connect with them? How do you want to engage with them? And if you have that in full focus, then you're going to master some of your free traffic, and that paid traffic is going to become so much easier because you know how people are engaging with you on that free traffic is going to get easier on the paid traffic because it's kind of a different profile, because on paid traffic sometimes it's just cold, people don't know you, but on the free traffic you're starting to create a relationship with people and know how you're making that connection, and you can always tweak that. People are going to come back because they're in your like social aspect, social network and stuff, and they're wanting to connect with you at a deeper level and always see your updates and see what's going on in your life and how your journey is going to connect with them on a deeper level. So I hope those tips were helpful, and so don't go out there and spamming just your Bitly link or your capture page or something. Show how you want them to make a connection with you and why that you want them to click on that link, and always create that value and help them solve that problem or solution out there, and know that this might be a problem for them and why they should connect with you with that link. Why should they click on that link, right? And always ask my question going, okay, if I post this, so what? That is like my number one question. If I can answer, so what, and they want to click on the link, they want to go further, they want to answer, they want to comment, that is the number one question that I've learned back in my first 90-day challenge, I think, on getting on Twitter and social media. That was the number one question that I could ask myself, that if I didn't answer that question, so what, then there was no reason for me to post that. So think about how important that question can be on how you're posting on social media and how you want people to engage with you, and really make that connection today. I hope those tips were helpful, and have an amazing day, and I'll see you on my next videos as I'm trying to make 50 in 48 hours. Thanks guys for watching. Bye now.